Good morning, everyone. Today I will practice English speaking confidently, clearly, and naturally to improve communication skills every single day. I wake up early every morning because successful people value time and maintain healthy habits for personal growth and happiness. After waking up, I drink water, offer prayers, and prepare myself mentally for productive activities throughout the entire busy day. I enjoy learning English because it helps me communicate internationally, build confidence, and create better professional opportunities for future success. Sometimes speaking English feels difficult, but regular practice improves pronunciation, vocabulary, fluency, and confidence gradually through continuous daily dedication. I practice English by reading books, watching videos, listening carefully, and speaking loudly in front of mirrors every single evening. My favourite hobby is walking outside because fresh air relaxes my mind, improves health, and increases positive thinking every day. During office work, I communicate politely with colleagues because respectful behaviour creates stronger relationships and better teamwork in professional environments everywhere. I want to become fluent in English because effective communication increases confidence, improves career opportunities, and develops leadership qualities significantly worldwide. Every successful person practices consistently because improvement requires patience, discipline, dedication, and positive thinking during difficult learning situations and challenges. Every successful person practices consistently because improvement requires patience, discipline, dedication, and positive thinking during difficult learning situations and challenges. I believe confidence is very important because confident speaking attracts attention, builds trust, and creates strong personal impressions everywhere, naturally. When I make mistakes while speaking English, I learn carefully, correct myself positively, and continue practicing without feeling discouraged ever. My daily routine includes reading English sentences loudly because pronunciation improves faster through repetition, listening, and regular speaking exercises consistently. I enjoy learning new vocabulary words because strong vocabulary improves conversations, increases understanding, and helps express thoughts clearly during discussions everywhere. Sometimes I watch English interviews because listening carefully improves pronunciation, speaking style, sentence structure, and communication understanding greatly over time. I practice speaking English with friends because conversations improve fluency naturally and help remove hesitation during communication situations every single day. Healthy habits improve concentration because proper sleep, exercise, healthy eating, and positive thinking support better learning abilities and consistent improvement.
I want to inspire others by speaking confidently because motivation encourages people to learn continuously and achieve their dreams successfully worldwide. English speaking practice becomes easier through patience, repetition, confidence, listening skills, and regular conversations with positive learning attitudes every day.